What's up, everybody? This video is gonna be a quick one. I know it's been a while, just had some issues, technical issues, and we'll be back. I guess try to do the 2-3 day every session. So subscribe and please like so other people can see this and actually start to trade, with volume. Again, let's look at GBP, JPY. We had this call out last week in the Discord in the VIP section. We were talking about these two candles that came in right here with a high volume, very low spreads. Then, we entered on this position right here, right on the next candle. It was like 153.18, 153.15, if I remember correctly. And then the next few candles after that, it kept on coming back up to retest with low volume. So this is considered low volume push up right there with a high spread. That is not a good sign for bulls whatsoever. A good sign for bulls would have been a low spread, decrease in volume that we went properly with the confirmation on the next candle. But again, this is high spread, low volume, and the next candle was confirmed as bearish. It broke above, came back down, and continued lower. We stayed into the trade. Most of us in the Discord stayed into the trade. And it came down. Our first took profit was 152.60. We ended up exiting right there, and then we came into Friday. I ended up exiting the rest of the position, even though I was targeting these lows right here. I ended up exiting because it was Friday at 152.40, the rest of the position that I was in. And that was pretty much one of the Forex trades that you could have took. And then we are going to be talking about Bitcoin and crypto mostly. So one key thing, as I hope a lot of people will watch the end of this to see, one key thing when it comes to crypto is you got to understand something. It's volume during sessions. So during New York, Asia, London, it's very different than it is in Forex. So you need to take the session with a grain of salt as far as, what time of day the volume comes in. Is it respecting? When you go back previous 2 days, it is respecting, and I'll show you. Because as of right now, whoever purchases the course, you're gonna have the docs file, and it's gonna be through Google, and I will consistently be updating it if anything changes as far as my style of trading or as far as something that I'm seeing specifically also on crypto. So let me give you an example. So if we look right here on this high volume push up, not the greatest close, bearish reaction. I wouldn't call this a sign of weakness, but it'd be time to start securing some profits. And we spoke about this in the Discord. You can check it out if you want to. Whoever really doesn't believe me, but you can if you want. If we look at the volume that came in at around 2 p.m., you can see it's higher than all of these, correct? The only issue behind the actual time is that sometimes you'll get increases in volume that will happen midday, early in the morning. It's all different as far as not compared to the way Forex or the way, other commodities trade. As of right now, it is respecting it. It is respecting sessions as far as going back 2 days. So, for example, this is the trade that I spoke about last week. If you look back previous 2 days on this right here, we had high volume. We'll look back at 5, higher than that volume. We'll look back at 5 a.m., higher than that volume. So it is giving you an indication when you look 2 days back. And right now, this right here was sort of that push up that is not the greatest close, but it is not a sign of weakness. I wouldn't look to short. I would look to take profit. That's pretty much when it comes to Bitcoin. As of right now, the issue is every time we're coming down, we're not getting those high increases in volume. Just right now, we might have had that. Let's check it out as it's going live. 16. So you have 3.8. We can go back to 16, and that is higher. That's only 1.8. Let's go back, and that is higher. So if this candle right here closes bullish, so if you have the notifications on, you're probably gonna see this video while this is closing. But yeah. So if this candle closes bullish and specifically above this with a low spread, high volume right there, just like that, as you see, this is a low spread, high volume considered. If it closes bullish and we stay, nothing gets closed up below all of this consolidation area right here, we should start to see higher prices. And I'm specifically talking about higher prices than these areas right here. We could range also, but highly unlikely. And that's pretty much what it with Bitcoin. As far as any other pairs go, a lot of people like to trade Cardano, which is ADA. It moves pretty similar to a lot of other cryptos, but sometimes it has its spikes. I would not be trading it per se. Don't get me wrong. There's money probably to be made in it. I just never traded it. I just invested in it. I am invested in it. Just have to throw that out there. Would I be shorting it? I would not be shorting it. But that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, leave in the comments below. And please subscribe, join the Discord. And all details about the course and below and in the Discord under E.V.S.A, which I will show basically on the left hand side. You'll see everything there. Peace out.